Ready to conquer the dMAT? This September, PrepareBuddy launches the ultimate test module designed specifically for Indian students aiming for success in Germany. Walking into a high-stakes exam like dMAT shouldn't feel like a guessing game. Most students struggle simply because they've never seen the actual interface. We've solved that by building a mirror image environment that eliminates anxiety, allowing you to focus entirely on your performance. Welcome to the future of dMAT preparation. We are thrilled to announce that dMAT is officially live on the PrepareBuddy platform. With this crucial exam for Indian students launching this September, we've ensured you have the ultimate competitive edge from day one. By onboarding this specialized test into our ecosystem, we're giving both students and institutes the power to master the format long before the pressure of exam day. You can experience the full power of our platform right now, accessing a complete suite of modules, from figure sequences and mathematical equations to Latin squares and general academic modules, all perfectly aligned with official jam samples. Everything you need to succeed is right here. You're no longer practicing in the dark. You can track your results, identify your weaknesses, and refine your strategy for specific sections. Let's look at how this transforms your prep experience. With both timed and untimed modes, you can choose between high-pressure exam simulation or deep dive learning. This is more than just a practice test. It's a mirror image of the official DIE environment. Take these figure sequences, for example. You're faced with the exact logic puzzles you'll see on the real test. But here's the game changer: our integrated AI buddy. If you're stuck on a complex pattern, simply ask for help. It won't just tell you that A and B are the right answers. It breaks down the why behind the logic, ensuring you learn the underlying principles. We've prioritized high-quality questions that challenge you at every level. Whether you're tackling the basics or pushing through the most difficult problems, the interface remains identical to the original dMAT, from the figure layouts to the navigation. Even when you hit a hard question, the AI buddy is there to validate your logic, confirming why A and B fit the pattern. You'll see that the platform scales with you, moving from accessible entry-level questions to the most rigorous challenges found in the actual dMAT. This ensures students aren't just practicing, they're mastering the test. You are free to explore all these modules to build your confidence and speed. Now let's move to the mathematical equations section. This is a medium difficulty set where the instructions match the real exam perfectly. To give you the most authentic experience, we've included the official virtual keyboard. You can input your answers exactly as you would in the testing center. We've also included the essential flag feature. If a question needs more thought, flag it and come back to it later, just like the real exam. This level of familiarity is what separates a good score from a great one. Whether the answer is 18,110 or a complex fraction, the virtual keyboard and authentic UI ensure you are fully prepared for the mechanics of the test. From simple equations to complex sets requiring multiple solutions, we cover the entire spectrum. This thorough preparation is why students choose us. We don't just provide a single test, we provide a massive variety of question sets. Once you're on the platform, you have every tool at your disposal to practice until you're perfect. For institutes looking to give their students a definitive advantage, our onboarding process is seamless. Moving on to Latin squares, we maintain that same rigorous structure of easy, medium, and hard levels. Again, if you need a hint, the AI buddy identifies the correct logic. However, we give you full control. You can toggle the AI off when you're ready to simulate a real, unassisted exam environment. Even on the hardest questions, you get the detailed breakdowns needed to turn mistakes into milestones, mastering the best ways to work through every puzzle before submitting. Finally, we have the general academic module, the essential path for students not choosing a specific specialization. While your counselors or teachers can guide you on specific tracks, our platform provides comprehensive coverage for 3 out of the 4 core modules. The AI remains your constant companion, confirming the right answers and explaining the academic logic. Once you've completed your session, the submission is effortless and the feedback is instant. The moment you finish, you're met with a powerful data dashboard. Instead of just a pass or fail, you get a deep dive into your performance. You'll see your submission date, time spent, and a precise breakdown of your score for every single section. You can download these reports for your records or jump back in for a retake. Imagine seeing your overall score and knowing exactly where those points came from. This section-by-section breakup shows you exactly how you're performing in core versus general modules. This is where the real growth happens. We highlight your areas for improvement, suggest your next steps, and show your historical trends. You can audit every single question. If it was a figure sequence, you can see the original image, your choice, and the correct answer side by side. For every wrong answer, you get the full detail so you never make the same mistake twice. Whether it's math or Latin squares, you can see exactly where the logic went wrong. This level of granular detail ensures that your next attempt is always stronger than your last. This is the most comprehensive dMAT preparation available today. Feel free to explore our free tests on the platform right now to see the difference for yourself. For coaching centers and institutes, we are ready to help you onboard your students and elevate their success. Thank you for choosing the ultimate path to dMAT excellence. Practice alone isn't enough. You need immediate feedback to grow. Our AI Buddy is built directly into the test interface, offering step-by-step logic for every answer. This means you bridge knowledge gaps instantly, ensuring you never make the same mistake twice when it actually counts. Generic preparation leads to generic results. Our platform provides deep dive analytics that break down your performance by module and speed. By seeing your historical trends and specific weak points, you can focus your energy where it matters most, maximizing your score with surgical precision. The path to Germany starts here. Head over to our portal now to access a full free dMAT mock test. Experience the fidelity, use the tools, and start your preparation with total confidence today.